Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to get Rocket League on Steam. So as you may know, there's no actual way to just download it from Steam. So what you will need to do is go ahead and download Epic Games Launcher. So make sure to download it. If you already have it, just open it up. And here on Store, you're going to write down Rocket League. Click enter, and then you will see this free option. So this is the base game. You want to go ahead and just download it. After you will download it, this will be in your library. And once it will be in your library, you want to go ahead and click on these three dots and then click Manage. After that, you will see this installation option and you will see this folder icon. Click on it and then go to Binaries, Win64. And after that, you will see that there's a Rocket League exe file. So that's what we will need to add to Steam. But all we need is actually this path at the top here. So you want to go ahead and copy this address where your file is. And after that, go to Steam, go to Library. And at the bottom here, you can see Add a Game. Click on it and then click Add a Non-Steam Game. After that, you want to click Browse. And you're gonna write down this path. Choose this exe file of Rocket League. Click Open. And after that, your Rocket League is already added here. So you just want to make sure that this is ticked on. And after that, add selected programs. And here you have it now. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe and I will see you next time. Bye.